Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this smartwatch here for women. Of course, a man and so on can wear that too. 1.32 inches touchscreen. We can answer and make calls with that smartwatch here. With heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, blood pressure, blood oxygen, step counter. It is IP67 waterproof. It is a fitness watch for all devices out there which comes with iOS or Android operation system. The Bluetooth calling smartwatch here comes with built-in speaker and microphone, so we can answer a phone call from our wristwatch. We can add 10 frequently used contacts. Also, we can receive message notifications like SMS, SNS, Facebook messengers, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc., etc. We click the message, we can see on it, and then we can see more details, and which is very convenient, really. It cannot text messages, but you can read them. We should start a smart life from choosing the CK Creation smartwatch here. We have a built-in PPG high-pressure optical sensor. The smartwatch really realizes comprehensive health protection, and it supports 24/7 heart rate monitoring, as well as blood pressure and blood oxygen monitoring. Sleep tracking can automatically monitor our sleep status and provide a comprehensive analytics of our sleep quality. That means deep sleep and light sleep and awake. The fitness tracker, for women out there, accurately records our whole day activities such as steps, distance, and calorie burned. The fitness watch supports 20 sports modes like walking, running, yoga, cycling, climbing, etc. And it helps us to develop good exercise habits. The IP67 waterproof watch can meet our daily waterproof needs, like washing the hands or cold water showering, and warm water showering too, of course. We do not wear the watch while we are swimming for a long time, because there is a microphone inside, okay? And the diamond stylish smartwatch. It looks so nice. This smartwatch for women comes with 2 watch straps. One is a silicone suitable for sports watch. Another is a stainless steel for different party occasions like wedding, birthday party, Christmas, and so on. And of course, daily use. There are 60 shining diamond sets in the watch. Okay, these are not original diamonds, okay? But it looks like a diamond, which is really a combination of sport and fashion in one watch. More than 150 beautiful backgrounds are available. Also, we can upload our own pictures as watch face, and highly recommended for ourselves, for lover, for family, and of course for our friends. The Bluetooth smartwatch is compatible with Android 4.4 and iOS 8.4 or higher smartphones. The battery capacity of 230 mAh is reloaded in only 2 hours to fully charge, and it can be used for 4 up to 5 days. 15 days standby time is possible. It supports for multiple languages like English, German, Korean, Spanish, Japanese, French, Russian, Arabic, Ukrainian. The watch adopts 1.32 inches color screen and 360 to 360 high resolution, which makes visual experience excellent too. It looks really beautiful, this gold finish, and it looks so nice with that nice shining diamonds. And it's really easy. We have to download the FitCloud Pro app on the App Store or Google Play Store. FitCloud FitCloud Pro. If we downloaded it, we should make, of course, an account with it we will need our mail address, and then we get a PIN code for it, and then we are registered. After this, we open the Fit Cloud Pro app and we push on Add Device. The i70 will show if you have Bluetooth enabled, and then you can connect it easily. And then we can lock it, for example, in the background. Android systems need to lock the app to run in the background. With the Apple system, it will automatically run in the background if we start it once. This is 2023 stylish smartwatch here. 2 watch bands and 2 studs in one box. This round smartwatch comes with 2 interchangeable watch straps. One is the stainless steel metal band, and one is the white silicone watch band. The wide of the band is 20 mm. It's easy to install and remove it without tools. It comes with a tool, and this tool is to adjust the length of the band. We can easily make this by our own because there are some bolts in it, each frame of the band, and we can use the tool which is in the box to make it a little bit shorter, for example. The only one to do is we have to press out the bolt out of one chain, and then we can press another area into it, and then it is a little bit not so long if you need it. The smartwatch for the woman comes with a tool which is very useful. Take links out of the straps so that we can adjust the lengths as we need to. After we look that maybe it fits, maybe it matches to your arm, then it's everything fine. But if you have to adjust it a little bit, use the tool which is included. It's really easy, really easy. And we have Bluetooth call and message reminder. Bluetooth wireless call, we can call and receive dials. Whenever it is sports or driving, we can easily answer the call, built-in high-fidelity speaker and noise reduction microphone too. It's really cool because it comes with an CK Creation smartwatch quality. 1.32 inches, then 20 sports modes, 1.5 hours up to 2 hours charging time. The battery life is about 5 days. The color is really beautiful rosy gold and a white band. And it is DIY watch faces. Everything is here really looking nice and shining. Oh yeah. This is the smartwatch for women from CK Creation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.